Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, this feels super nostalgic. Sitting here again and recording videos for you all, and I'm super excited for today's video. And before we get into today's video, thank you so much, guys, for sending so many DMs and messages on my Facebook that please come back on YouTube. I don't know whether I really deserve this kind of a love or not, but yes, thank you so much, guys. So what could be a better way to start this video as a haul video? Because as much as I love watching others haul, and I also shop, a lot. And yeah, so let's just get started with today's haul, which is a skincare haul. Ta-da! So, as you know that my skincare journey has been going kind of now it is smooth, I would say, because I have been getting a lot of acne, breakouts, and I keep trying different products. That is another reason, maybe, I don't know, but I keep trying different brands. So this time I got my hands on Purplle.com, and Purplle.com I've been shopping from a couple of years, and they have amazing crazy sale, guys. You can also become an elite member of Purplle.com, where you can save good amount of money, where they have a lot of offers, and you also get free goodies with that. And yeah, so I thought, why not to start and restock some of my favorite products, which I wanted to share it with you all. So the first product which I'm going to talk about is the Purplle 24 karat gold oil. Now this has got argan oil in it, and the consistency is really smooth, guys. It melts in your face very well. I like to use this oil as, or you can say serum, as a base of my makeup, and it gives really nice smooth base for my skin, and I can get started with my makeup. Moving on, I also restock one of my favorite product, because as you know that I'm an acne prone girl, so I restock my tea tree oil. I have used back in days different brands, TP oil, Body Shop, and all that. Now I wanted to give a reasonable source, so I wanted to give this a try. So this is TP oil, and I'm very excited to try this. To mix it with water or rose water, rub it on my palm like so, and apply on my acne wherever I have, and it kind of soothes down, and it really helps to heal your acne, and it also clears your hyperpigmentation. Now, moving on, I have another product, which is the actual hero of the product, I would say, which is the tea tree and papaya oil. Now, I was really excited because of the combination. Tea tree is really good for acne, and papaya oil, which is actually good for hyperpigmentation. I do have hyperpigmentation around here, because I get tan super quickly. So I do have hyperpigmentation problem. So I wanted to give this as a try. It actually stimulates collagen production, and also retain the skin moisture, which is very important. So yeah, I got this one, and this retail for 275 rupees, and I will put all the links in the description box. Do check it out, guys. Same brand, I got the sheet mask. I have used different brand sheet mask, guys. I like to store it in the fridge and then use it, because it gives a nice cool and soothing sensation to your face. So I got three variant. One is the coconut extract. This is how it looks, and the other one is rice. Oh God, rice water extract, and the other one I have got is a charcoal extract. Now moving on, in the Purplle.com, there is a brand which is named as Good Vibes. I'm sure many of you know, but I was not familiar, and I was just blown with the pricing part. Super affordable, guys. So I just picked up a couple of their products. The first thing which I got is the cocoa face wash. If you know me, I'm an addicted person of cocoa and vanilla. Any combination with cocoa vanilla, I am sold. So I got the same cocoa face wash. This is how it looks, and it retails for 195 rupees, and again it has no mineral oil, no paraben. That's how it looks. I'm very excited. And then moving on, I got this toner, which is in the lavender fragrance. I love lavender is like my holy grail. It soothes, and when I want to do meditation, I just like to lit up essential oil, like a lavender essential oil, and just do meditation and yoga. It gives beautiful feeling, guys. I can't even explain. Now I got this toner only for one reason, that when I shave or when I do epilating on my face, I like to press this on my skin. it soothes down. There is no burning sensation or anything like that. So I like to use this. And then moving on, I have used a couple of other brands rosehip oil. It actually maintains the skin elasticity, rosehip oil. So I like to use this in the night time, not in the daytime. And if you want, you can even massage with this oil. So I'm very excited to try from this brand, which is a very affordable brand. And the last two products which I got are, one is the face mask and the other one is the face cream. Now face cream, I got this brightening face cream. Now don't get me wrong when I say brightening, or I'm not a person who favors for lightening, brightening or fairness cream. I only got this fairness cream, not fairness cream, sorry, the brightening cream, because I tend to get tan, as I mentioned earlier. So I like to apply it on my hand, and this is how the consistency looks like. I like to apply it on my hand and face for just to retain my natural color. That's it, guys. Otherwise, I am not a person who favors for this lightening cream, brightening cream and jazz. Moving on, I'm very excited about the last product by the name itself. This is Brazilian Volcano Purple Clay. Now, give me a moment. When we say volcano, we think charcoal volcano can be a black color face mask, but this is purple. And look at the packaging. It has got purple color, and trust me, guys, the color and the fragrance, oh my god, the color is super beautiful, guys. This is purple shade, and can you just take a moment to appreciate the color? It contains high amount of magnesium, which promotes healthy cells maintenance and collagen production. And yeah, with that said, guys, this was the end of the video. And do let me know which product you want me to try separately, or you want to know more about any of the product. I would love to do a separate video on any of them. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more exciting video. Hit that notification bell button and yes, all that jazz. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye, guys.